Class 1, Chapter number 1 from CBSE curriculum. Today we learn what is shape and space. What is shapes and how many types of shapes are there and how many shapes. What is space? How many spaces are there? There are different type of shapes or space. So we should learn or we will discuss about the shapes and space. What is shapes? If too many types of plane shapes are there, plane shapes and solid shapes. What is plane shape? Just plane shape has two-dimensional figure. That means that has only the length and width are there. And solid shapes is called the 3D shapes, and plane shapes is called the 2D shape. That means two-dimensional and that means the three-dimensional. One is length and width. Here is three-dimensional, that means one is length, width and height. So how many plane shapes? If it is plane shapes, also the closed and open shapes are there. There are two plane closed shapes are there. That means the shape is closed. The shape is closed, and that is the open face or open shapes. Okay. There are three sides are there. That means that's why it is called the triangle, and fourth side and the opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are equal, and this side and this side is equal. That means the opposite sides are equal. If it is opposite sides are equal, that is called the rectangle. And then we should go the solid shapes. Solid shapes means already I already told you the three-dimensional figure. That means one is in here, and if it is three-dimensional, that means so many edges are there, faces are there, etc. That is called a cylinder, that is cube, that is cuboid, and it is triangle, rectangle, and parallelogram. So after that, related shapes is related with the space. What is space? Space is the particular face of solid space. Solid shapes. That means the particular shape. There is also a space or surface area is in there. That is called the space. Particular face of a solid shape. If it is solid shape, that's why we should get in the surface area or space. If it is plane shapes, not have any spaces are there. So types of space or example of space. If it is just on the table, just up the table, that is called the on. If it is too high, that is called above. Top and bottom. Top is the upper portion of the surface area and bottom is the lower portion of the area or space. Under. Here we should learn the inside or outside. Circle is in here. If it is inside or into the circle, that is called the inside. If it is out of the circle, that is called the outside of the circle. So that house is the outside of the circle and star is the inside of the circle. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. After that, under, above, okay, we should learn from our textbook. Okay, all about the space and shapes and space. After that, we should go what is roll, what is slide, what is rolling, and what is sliding. After that, we should go the next. Okay. rolling. If it is roll on down or putting down, that is called the, if it is putting down, that is the rolling. If it is slipped on the, not by rolling, if it is putting down by roll, that is called the rolling. If it is putting down without rolling, that is called the sliding. When we should go the sleep in the park, that is called the sliding. So many examples are there. Sleep is in there. They are not in roll down, just putting down, that is called the sliding. If it is rolling down, that is called the, or roll and put the things put in down by the rolling, by the roll, that is called the rolling. Okay. Wheel also rolling. Already you know about that. Wheel also putting outside or go on that side by roll, that is called the rolling. Okay, these are the things. After that we should go what is far and what is near. We should go the what is far and near. If it is close of the things, close to the things, if it is close to the things, the house is close to the circle, that is called the near. If the house or any other trees, suppose there are trees is so many distance or long distance or away, that means the so many distance, after the distance covered we should get in this, that's why it is called the far. Okay, near and far, different the near and far. Suppose the boy is near the house. The boy is near the house or far the house? Obviously near the house. The boy is standing near the tree. That is the little distance, that is called the, that's why it is near. There is so many distance or